Halo, sekarang kita akan mempelajari tentang there is dan there are. There is artinya ada untuk benda yang jumlahnya 1. Contohnya, there is a pencil. There is a sharpener. There is an eraser. There is a ruler. There is a stapler. There are artinya ada untuk benda yang lebih dari 1. Contohnya, there are 4 pencils. There are 2 erasers. There are 5 pens. There are 3 rulers. There are colored papers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with there is or there are. Lengkapilah kalimat berikut ini dengan kata there is atau there are. Number 1. Blah 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 an eraser. An eraser artinya sebuah penghapus. Jadi jawabannya adalah there is. There is an eraser. Number 2. Blah 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 a pen. Jawabannya adalah there is. There is a pen. Number 3. Blah 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 pens. Kata pen di sini diakhiri dengan huruf S. Berarti pulpennya ada lebih dari 1. Jadi jawabannya adalah there are. There are pens. Number 4. Blah 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 a ruler. Jawabannya adalah there is. There is a ruler. Number 5. Blah 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 colored papers. Jawabannya adalah there are. There are colored papers. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with there is or there are. Lengkapilah kalimat di bawah ini dengan kata there is atau there are. Number 1. Blah 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 a compass. The answer is, jawabannya adalah there is a compass. Number 2. Blah 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 two sharpeners. The answer is there are. There are 2 sharpeners. Number 3. Blah 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 3 pairs of scissors. The answer is there are. There are 3 pairs of scissors. Number 4. Blah 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 a bottle of glue. The answer is there is. There is a bottle of glue. Number 5. Blah 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 5 pencils in the pencil case. The answer is there are. There are 5 pencils in the pencil case. Exercise 3. Rearrange these words into good sentences. Number 1. The good sentence is, kalimat yang baik adalah there are 5 sharpeners. Number 2. The good sentence is, there is an eraser. Number 3. The good sentence is, There is a pencil case. Number 4. The good sentence is, there are 3 sticky tapes. Number 5. The good sentence is, there are 2 staplers and 4 paper clips. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back next time.